Professor Dr. Rashmi Salpekar holds a PhD in International Law and LLM.
Very good morning to you all. Very good morning to you all. Good afternoon to you all. So this is how we have started in morning, we are ending in afternoon. And very soon you will also realize you have started in 2021 and very soon 2026 will also come. Time flies like anything. So please have a control on your own time. On behalf of Vivekananda School of Law and Legal Studies, on behalf of our faculty members, I would like to express thanks to our respected chairman, Dr. S.C. Vats, our chairperson, Professor R. Venkatarao, respected Vice Chairman Shri Sunit Vats sir, respected our Professor Emeritus Professor T.V. Subbarao sir, our respected senior faculty member Professor Dr. Shilpa Khatri Babbar. I would like to thank all of you that you have spared time for our dear students. Dear students, do you know why we all are here? Of course, for the orientation. What is the importance of the orientation? Orientation is setting tone for all your 5 years. And as sir has told you, that at present for 5 years you are law student of WIPS, but then you will be the law student for your entire life. Legal profession is a noble profession, so therefore it is also called as learned profession. So thus, we are having lot of expectations from you, and I am sure you must be having lot of expectations from yourself as well. So thus, orientation is all about setting tone. It is all about to get your instruments in tune. So this is the day of the orientation program. So therefore, this is very, very important for all of us and for all of you as well. So thus we thought that why not to invite our students in an offline mode. Very soon, you will be able to get your classes in offline mode as well. Of course, we will follow all statutory obligations. We will initiate in a phased manner also. So everything we will do for your safety purpose. But very soon, you will also be the part of this particular family, which you will find it is very academically vibrant. You are the part of this WIPS family, this law school family wherein more than 2,000 students are there. We are having more than 70 faculty members. We are having more than 10 centers which are established and which are based on various subjects like Center for Constitutional Law, Center for International Law, Center for ADR, Center for Cyber Law. You will also be the part of all these activities. So thus, we all are here to give you best wishes, and I am extremely happy that you are fortunate that you have received blessings from our chairman sir, from our chairperson sir, from our vice chairman, from our professor emeritus and our senior professor, Professor Shilpa. So with this, thank you so much for be present over here. Thank you so much to our dignitaries as well. Thank you so much Dr. Aditi, who have coordinated this entire show along with her faculty members, Dr. Namrata, senior our faculty member, Ms. Ashu, Ms. Samriti, and many our faculty members who have also joined hands with Dr. Aditi. So once again, thank you so much. With this, I would like to call all of you to please rise for the national anthem. National anthem students, please be ready. Yes, one small announcement, very important announcement. As you are our 21st batch, so therefore our chairman sir has given as a shagun of rupees 2100 to our students of Antakshara who have presented such a melodious Saraswati Vandana. Thank you so much, sir. Yes, sir. Rupees 5,000 for them. Thank you so much, sir.